Okay, hello everybody. I'm representing Educative today at the Pivix session 2020. So I'll just start my screen sharing and then we will proceed with the company information session. So let's start with exactly what is Educative, who we are, and what we do. So Educative basically helps connect millions of developers around the world. So what we offer to our customers and who are basically developers essentially is that we make interactive courses for software developers. These range from a wider variety of fields in computer science, including cloud computing, networks, data science, and other advanced technologies. So these courses are made by the developers and for the developers. So basically doing this, we actually harness a community of developers worldwide, and where they can share their knowledge and skills with each other and maximize their economic opportunity and level up their coding skills. One overview of the website. Uh, Basically, as you can see, we provide three main categories of courses. Like either you can learn to become a developer if you are a beginner. You can either grow your skill set and get better at your job, or you can prepare for an interview. So basically, there are a lot of learners worldwide, and we also have like people coming in from Google, Facebook, Netflix, GitHub, Oracle as well. These all people are not only learning from our platform, but they're also creating courses on our platform. So it's a worldwide effort. So basically, we have two offices. One of them is in Seattle, and the other one is in Lahore, Pakistan. Um, as I mentioned earlier, that regarding what we do, we basically build essentially we build development courses. Other than that, we also have teams working on the product itself and curriculums and material design, internal processes management, hiring, recruiting, etc. Um, and basically we sell essentially courses and curriculums that we create to software developers. We create tools that can be used on our platform to facilitate these, and we also sell our vision to potential investors and prospective employees. And our vision is basically to make it easy for software engineers and software developers to learn coding efficiently and smoothly. In that, we provide interactive coding environments on our platform that are hosted on the cloud, so no setup is required. So basically, we go by the tagline, learn real coding real fast. So as I mentioned earlier, we have a healthy community of developers worldwide that are working together. As you can see, we have offices in Seattle as well as in Lahore, and our employees that are creating those courses, we call them developer advocates. They are interacting with a wide range of people from all around the world, and these people contact us to create courses on our platform. These range from front end courses to machine learning courses, cloud computing, security, networks, etc. So this job not only requires creating those courses and coding and whatnot. Other than that, it also gives you a chance to level up your people communication skills and your networking skills, because you're getting a chance to meet a lot of diverse community members from all around the world. Other than that, you can see we also started these educative webinars where people get a chance to like share their work experiences in an engaging and real life manner that is relatable by people from different walks of life. As you can see, these are also really diverse in their the talks are really diverse. You can see people ranging from not only managers to developers to also designers can come and give their talks. So these are open. So that is a very interesting opportunity that Educative provides apart from creating courses. So our company is really great in if you want to focus and work on with such a company that focuses on employee growth. So basically, our motto is that a company growth is directly proportional or equal to employee growth. So basically, we allow our employees to set really bold and audacious goals and then achieve and exceed them. We are really supportive in that manner. We allow our employees to take lead in whatever they believe should be done in the company, and to harness their skills and not diminish their creativity. So we believe in turning and supporting the creation of vague ideas into real products. And we also believe in failing forward, that you come up with an idea, it fails, that's not a problem. We support you, and going forward, success will surely be ahead. So here, just to reiterate, company growth goes hand in hand with employee growth over here. And hence innovation, I would say the sky is the limit, and the journey at Educative is never finished, and we are constantly creating, looking and striving to create a better version of ourselves. So you would be interested to know what is the team division over here. Basically, we are offering roles for a number of positions. Like for instance, if somebody is interested in UX and UI and front end development and design, so we have those roles. We have development and software engineering roles. We have those people who are interested in teaching and communication with developers worldwide. We have the developer advocate and course designer role. We also have some management roles and marketing roles, like listed over here: engineering manager, enterprise marketing lead. Then we are hiring for a product manager, and other marketing role is for author acquisition. Such a person would help us to reach out to developers who are looking for courses and sell our company vision to them. And this person obviously would be communicating with a lot of people in diverse areas of the world. Moving back to the presentation, um, you would also be interested to know the work and culture, the work environment and culture in our company. So we basically have a good divide of male and female members as our employees. So as you can see in the picture. Other than that, we encourage our employees to take initiatives, and not only do we focus on work, but we also have like spot bonuses where somebody in particular did something good, so we encourage that. Other than that, we have game sessions as well for extracurricular activities, not just work related. So you can see both genders are equally participating in all activities at the company. And then we have other celebrations as well over here. And with respect to remote working, we support that 100%. And we also realize that working from home can be difficult, and to keep our employees motivated, we also have these activities and sessions. Like over here you can see our HR coordinator hosted the laughter therapy session, which was a huge success, and this was also good psychologically speaking. So we take care of our employees in that regard as well. Here we are celebrating our 5-year anniversary with the Seattle team over here. So with regards to my own journey, I joined Educative like a year and a half ago. This was my first job, and I got to learn a lot over here. And there are obviously a lot of expectations when you are starting your first job as a professional, or as actually a not a professional, but a fresh graduate. And I would safely say, or happily say, that Educative surpassed all of those expectations and helped me set up ambitious goals for myself, and not only supported them, but encouraged me as well, and gave me direction on those goals and how to improve myself in the areas that I requested help for. And I think the first month itself was very learning intensive, and I got to work on various technologies in the computer science field, including DevOps, Django, machine learning, front-end web development, Spring Boot web development. Um, Other than that, I can give you an example of how Educative supports its employees, and how fast a person can grow if they're working with us. So I joined Educative as a developer advocate as in June 2019. I got promoted a year later as a senior developer advocate, and judging the potential, and because they really like boost the morale and support their employees for growth, they then promoted me up to a product manager within the scope of just a year and a half. So the prospects of growth over here are really promising. And other than that, opportunities for females are really interesting. It is a nice fact to mention over here that most of our management is mainly female. In the Seattle office as well as in the Lahore, Pakistan office. So that is also very encouraging from a female point of view. Other than that, I remember that these the employees, especially females, get a chance to participate in other events as well. Like for example, I was asked to speak at the Women Who Code conference. So that was a really good experience for me. So basically what we are looking for when hiring is that if you are passionate, if you are a fast learner, if you have a bias for action, you are I would say that Educative is the right place to be for you. So that is it for my session. Any questions?
So some people have questions. So how would you compare your courses services to leading moves like Udemy and Coursera in terms of value proposition?
So basically, Udemy, taking Udemy as an example, is that it is mostly or mainly a video-based platform. So what we do over here is that we realize that not all developers would have the time or energy to go over long videos and to follow through them. Other than that, developers usually have this overhead, especially if they are juggling a job experience with side along, that how do you set up a certain environment, like giving an example is Android Studio takes a lot of time to set up. So Educative not only provides interactive coding environments on its website, on its platform, where all the setup is on the cloud via Docker. It also provides text-based courses, and that helps in that what if you are in a hurry and you want to read a certain section. So it becomes difficult when you're viewing video-based courses, that at what time frame should I stop the video, and where is the specific thing that I'm searching for. So it's easier to navigate in such a environment on our platform.
Okay, great. And we also have some questions regarding the hiring. So what's your hiring process, and do you have openings for Android developers and for freshers?
So hiring process is that basically this website that I showed you earlier, angel.co, I will share this in the chat as well. Basically we have a lot of openings over here. So what we do is that we collect your CVs over here, and then the process is fairly straightforward and really accelerated by our strong HR team. We evaluate the CV based on your potential and the job that the position that you're applying for, and then you get an interview call depending on the role. So there are a couple of interviews ranging from 2 to 3. There may be more depending on the role or less. So that's basically the amount of opportunities in the regard for fresh graduates as well as professionals as well. We basically hire on potential and passion. So experience is not a barrier for that position.
Okay, great. Thank you. This is where we end the session. You can see answer.
Thank you.